Dear friends, in this video we will see how to link Aadhaar with TNEB, that is Tamil Nadu Electricity Board connection. It is necessary to link Aadhaar with the TNEB connection, and the last date is December 31st is the last date. 2022 is the last date to link Aadhaar with TNEB. So in this video we will see what is the procedure or how to link Aadhaar with TNEB. Okay, let us go open Google Chrome, and in search type link Aadhaar with TNEB online. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, this one, Aadhaar TNEB ltd.org. okay, click it. Tangent go Aadhaar upload TNEB. So only for domestic, you can link Aadhaar only for domestic, handloom, powerloom, agriculture and hut services. Okay, and consumer should have Aadhaar linked mobile ready, as OTP will be sent to this number. The service connection number shall be entered in the format as received by SMS or as printed in the receipt. Okay, so let us enter the service connection number, mobile number here, and the text is shown in the image. Okay, let us first enter the service connection number. Okay, so I'm entering the service connection number. Enter the mobile number. Now enter the text shown in the image. Okay, now after entering the service connection number, mobile number and the text shown here in the image, click enter. Okay, now so the name of the customer has been half hidden. The occupant details, owner, tenant, so and so. Just type the relevant, select the relevant section, then enter the Aadhaar number. Okay, enter number without any space. So after entering the Aadhaar number, click this. Okay, so now click send OTP. You will receive a OTP in your mobile. Okay, click send OTP. The OTP has been sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. You need to enter here. Okay, okay, now I am entering the OTP. Okay, now click submit. After entering the OTP here, click submit. Aadhaar details has been successfully linked with your service connection number. Okay, so here we no need to upload the Aadhaar. Okay, just you need to give the number only. Okay, Aadhaar details has been successfully linked with your service connection number. Okay, okay friends, this is the procedure how to link Aadhaar with TNEB. Okay, or Tamil Nadu Electricity Board TNEB EB connection. Okay, this is the procedure how to link Aadhaar with EB connection. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.